Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. To get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Next, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, so right here where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in. There we go. I am right-handed, so that's why I flipped the phone over. And then once you pull it out, you can see we have space for SIM card on the top side, and on the bottom side, it's either going to be a SIM card or SD card. The choice is yours. Now, if you're planning to use dual SIM card, which that's kind of what it refer to, you would place your SIM card sideways on this tray like so. But because I'm going to be placing one of each, I'm going to remove it from here and place it on a dedicated spot, which is right here. Now make sure you clip the card in place correctly. It should snap in there, shouldn't be protruding from the tray at all, and if you flip it over, it should not be falling out. Same thing goes for the SD card, so placing it like so, make sure it's clipped in place. Again, not protruding at all. And we can now insert the tray back into our device. And you can already see the SIM card is being detected by the device as it's prompting me to put in my SIM card pin. So I'll unlock my SIM card. And SD card should be working as well. We should have, there we go, notification about it somewhere. There we go, SD card inserted. So both of the cards are working just fine. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.